How you doing? My name is Aaron Maurer. I want to welcome you to Welcome Week of our Problems with Waste project. See, we're going to be focusing on using your genius, your expertise, your knowledge, your insight, and the skills that you possess, whether you believe you have them or not, you do, to help our problem with garbage and trash and waste and recyclables. See, what we've done here in this project and what you're about to uncover is we have been working with the Scott County Landfill and Recycling Center. We've been talking with the workers. We've been exploring what are the real issues to garbage. Because if you're like me, and like most people, we throw stuff in a garbage bin and we don't think about it anymore. We don't think about where it goes. We don't think about what happens to it. And we don't think about the ramifications of everybody doing this all the time. And what you're going to find out through this project is the crazy amount of technology, of hardware, machinery, problem solving skills, STEM, design thinking that goes into handling garbage. And so this project is really, really robust in several ways. One, we have collected problems from the workers themselves that they are trying to find solutions to. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to bring solutions to them. And who knows, your idea might actually be the solution to the problems plaguing the workers. You're also going to get kind of behind the scenes tour. You're going to be able to understand what all goes into handling our garbage. I've been able to go out there, get a tour, and my mind was literally blown by the incredible amount of things that happen. Like, I have no idea, and I have a whole new appreciation and fascination around garbage, as weird as that sounds. So you're going to be able to get a chance to explore that and open up some opportunities maybe for you to think about careers in not just STEM, but in this case, waste and collection and garbage. It's not always messy. And so I think this is going to be a great eye opener for you. And so before we get into all those details, we're here. We're in the welcome week. And what we're going to be doing in this welcome week is getting you introduced with one another. We've got classrooms literally from all over the world. And so we're going to be able to have a huge global perspective on the problems with garbage. And so what we're using is in the backdrop, the Scott County landfill. But realize that every state, every city, every country, has its own regulations. Not everything is exactly like you're going to see, but at least it's going to give you that real world authentic experience. So we're going to be able to come together and share ideas and make that stuff happen. So a couple of things that we're asking for you to do this week. Number one, we're asking you to introduce yourself, your classroom, in our Flipgrid. We're going to be using Flipgrid for a lot of things because visual helps, video helps us understand and see the problems and solutions and ideas. And so we're asking you to introduce yourself. Where are you from? What grade are you? What's your school? Those types of things. So we can start to build some connections and build some networks across this project. We're then going to have you create another Flipgrid video. And this might require you to do some exploration, asking some questions, maybe a little bit of research. Don't get upset by that word. Looking at the issue of wasting garbage where you live and where you go to school. Like, what is the process? Do you even know? You throw your lunch stuff away, but then what? Where's it go? All those trash bins in all the classrooms, where does it go? How does it get handled? We just want to know where we are. How do we handle garbage locally? Even in your house, things like that. Do you recycle? Whatever it is that you want to be able to share and gather, we're going to load that up there. And you might have to have more than one Flipgrid video, and that's okay. The last thing we're going to have you do is introduce yourself to Kurt. Kurt is our expert. He is the one that's going to bridge us, the learning in the classrooms and where you live, with the landfill and the workers and the problems and everything that we need to know in terms of how a landfill works. Like, it's incredible of all the things that have to go into handling garbage. Like, you're just going to be mind blown. Just trust me. It's crazy. It's going to be amazing though. So you got those three things going on. And then we're also just going to make sure you have some time to explore the Sustainable Development Goals. I mean, this work, yes, it's important for your learning. Yes, it's important for the classroom. More importantly, it's important for our Earth and for the future and for the life that you want to live when you're older and generations to come. And then understanding how this connects to the Sustainable Development Goals and things happening around the world in a much bigger context. So just lots of ways of just kind of building the foundation, getting settled in before we actually dive into the specifics, the true problems of our garbage. So I welcome you. I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait to see the videos. I can't wait to hear your ideas. And I can't wait to see where this project takes us. And as I always say, and you're going to see this in future videos, as I leave you here now, waiting patiently for you to share your wisdom, your insights, and your amazingness, I always like to tell people, remember, stay awesome.